Hi, I'm Kristen Amdahl and welcome back to my studio.
This video is a compilation of over 30 fast and easy one-ball knitting patterns featuring Kristen Amdahl yarns. My yarns have generous yardage, up to 650 yards per ball. You can make so many different types of things with one ball of yarn. After the video, follow the link in the video description to download each and every one of these patterns and browse and shop their yarns. These gorgeous one-ball knitting shawl patterns feature Be So Fine yarn, Be So Fine bling yarn, Be So Lush yarn, and Be So Toasty yarn, and they're all one-ball projects. Hat, scarf, and cowl patterns make absolutely wonderful last-minute gifts. Plus, each one of these patterns is a one-ball project. Not only are jewelry patterns really quick and easy for last-minute gifts, but they also are one size fits all. And, you know it, these patterns are all one-ball projects. Knit bags make great gifts on their own, or they make a great container for filling with other goodies and gifts. All of these bag patterns are one-ball projects. These home deck projects also make great gifts on their own. The bowls or the napkin would be great containers for other gifts.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all about anything we talked about in this video, please leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.